All right, so here's my issue. Car was delivered yesterday on Monday. One, it was delivered sort of without my knowledge. I got an email probably around 12:30. They said it would be delivered between 12 and 4, so I just happened to check my email and saw that it said welcome to the Tesla family. Tap this link to accept delivery. So I tapped the link, and the second point is that I was fully expecting a delivery guy to meet me here. He was supposed to essentially take my payment and check my license and sort of complete the process. But I just find my car sitting here in this parking spot amongst the rest of the cars, and just look outside like, oh, it's cool. It's here. Let me accept delivery. Unfortunately, I can't hit the link and accept delivery because the payment information hasn't been completed. So I give Tesla another call. I reach somebody. Sometimes you can't reach them, sometimes you can. I would say 80%, 90% of the time you can't reach anybody. They're just too busy. Demand is just too high. The deliveries are just too frequent. So I got to somebody, and she was kind enough to put a notice out to the delivery team, and the guy came back. He got back here about 4 o'clock, 4:30, and took my payment information and checked my license, and all good, I thought. He said he was going to take, got his name, Edgar. I don't know Edgar's last name, so it's not like I'm revealing a whole bunch of information about him. But I got, I actually met somebody, and he said that, check in the morning or check later that night, last night, and be all good. I checked last night, checked this morning. Payment information hasn't been updated, so I can't even get in. Now, what's supposed to happen is that I'm supposed to be able to accept delivery. And when I accept the delivery, it unlocks. The car will, the doors will I'll be able to push the door in and it unlock. And there's two key cards sitting probably underneath the center console or the center armrest. I'll be able to get in there, and once I put the key card down on the little drive lip, start lip, I'll have access through my phone. I can set up my phone as my key at that point. So that's how it's supposed to happen. This is a little different than what happened on my first car. The first Tesla was actually at the dealership, and the representative there, she was able to unlock it from her iPad or her remote device or something. So I was able to know where the car was because she popped the trunk, and it was pretty easy. This was supposed to be like one of those touchless deliveries to your home, pull up to your doorstep, and there's your car. Don't have that. And now that I'm looking, like, man, I'm gonna have to get some different caps for these rims. I don't like that black part in the middle. Yep. But that's the difference, and that's my problem right now. I'm sitting here about almost 24 hours later. The car is just chilling here like a lonely kid, on detention or on timeout, just chilling. All right, man, you're gonna be able to come out and play pretty soon once I get talking to the Tesla fam.